This is a quick video of our 2000 Haas VF-2 with 10,000 RPM, and we're going to start out with a tool change here. Okay, now we're going to be running the spindle at 500 RPM in low gear. Now at the bottom of the travel here, we're going to switch to high gear at 2,500 RPMs. Okay, now at the top of the travel stroke on this run, we're going to switch to 5,000 RPM, also in high gear. Here we go. Then down at the bottom of the travel stroke, we're going to bump it up to 7,500 RPMs right about now here. And then at the top of the travel stroke, the table's going to stop moving, and we're going to kick it up to the maximum spindle speed of 10,000 RPM. Right about now. That's just going to run for a few seconds, and then we're going to stop the spindle, and then we're going to change to tool 1 here. And just so that you can see the other side of the tool changer, we're going to switch to tool 10. And that's the basic functionality of the machine.